2-3 years ago, and I was shocked.
Like, huh?
That's crazy. I wonder how they meet.
Yeah, how they even linked up.
Right.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, Mariana brought the bin. Probably was around Mariana. Because, you know, he been famous.
Yeah.
But their daughter is older, though.
I think she's like 14.
Oh, yeah, she getting older.
She looks just like him.
Yeah. She look like both of them.
I think she was talking about him in that song, like her very first I'm gonna say good song. Her very first popular song, The Worst. I think that's like I was putting the two to two together. I'm like, that's who you was talking about.
Riley. Yep. What you got there? Pops. I was asking my mama what's her I was asking my mama what's her schedule. She's talking about same schedule.
It doesn't change.
Same schedule. I'm like, okay. You know what?
Oh, your mom and dad know how to communicate.
Right.
You see the bills paid.
Is it? You say you see it? Nothing do. Yeah. Must be nice.
You should know about that.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Indeed.
What else you gonna do on your off day?
Probably get my eyebrows done.
Oh yeah, I do too. Need to.
Yeah, I might get my nails done too.
Okay, turn it up. Yeah, you gonna. Oh yeah, cause tomorrow is the big day. Look at me like it's y'all wedding already.
Oh my God, I hate when. Oh my God, this is one dude that he older. Whenever we together, he talking about something. So when's the wedding? We looking at each other like, wedding? Excuse me?
We just started talking.
Right. What you jumping ahead for?
We gotta get to know each other first.
Right.
Wow. You trying to rush it already.
I'm like, can you shut up, please? Yeah, he seemed like, and then we be having conversations at work. I be getting in trouble, but we be having conversations at work. And like, at first I ain't like him.
Why?
I mean, I don't know. It takes a lot for me to like somebody.
Yeah.
So my friend, she was like, yes, you do. I'm like, I promise you, I don't. I'm like, I don't. But then he started telling me about his life and how he got hurt. And I'm like, oh my goodness, okay.
He do got feelings.
Yeah, he was like, and then he was like, he got a conscience, like saying the good stuff. Saying how he believe in God and what did for me is I love how he loves his family, because me and my brother, like, we close, super close, and he's super duper close with his sister. And I'm like, okay, for you and your father to gone through what y'all went through, because he told me that him and his daddy fought over dishes, like fist fought. He didn't like living with his daddy when he was in high school, and for you to been through what you've been through, and you still willingly and want to take care of your daddy. And I see the way his face light up when he said, "Oh, me and my dad went bowling and ate dinner." Like, he smiled from ear to ear, and I'm like, okay, I guess you alright.
You got a good relationship.
Yeah. He loved bringing up his ex though. Jesus.
Let's see.
Every day. He loved bringing up that. He told me that she texted him talking about that she want to hang out and take him to his favorite restaurant. And I'm like, are you going to go?
Right.
He was like, no, because she be manipulating him.
Right. He
I'm
knows
like,
she ain't no good.
I'm like, are you smart? He was like, yeah, I'm not naive. I'm
Yeah.
like, all right, you know something.
He said that she be doing what? Manipulating?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So he knows she ain't no good.
Mm-hmm. I'm like, have you gotten closure from? He was like, it's not about closure. I'm like, it kind of is.
It is about
Because if you're not over her or over the situation, how you expect to get into a new one?
Right. And what he say?
Well, I thought all this. I ain't telling you.
Oh, when I was good, dog. What everything you was thinking is true.
Yeah. But I ain't trying to rush it. Because
Yeah.
I don't even know what this is. So.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, you got the approval from bro.
Yeah, kind of. He still got to meet. He was like, next time y'all go out, I got to meet this nigga. He said, I don't care if it's over FaceTime. I got to have a man-to-man talk. I'm like, oh my God. Is that necessary?
Right.
He said, you want to go out with him, do you? I'm like, oh, yeah. He's like, okay, then it's necessary.
Right.
I'm like, he's doing too much.
The most. That is so funny. He just trying to protect you.
I know. So I ain't going to fight him on it. I'm like, do what you do.
Yeah.
Just don't scare him off.
Please don't. Yeah, he was saying how he was like, his dad told, not his dad, but his uncle told him, once a woman lose respect for a man, then like the relationship is basically over. Wow.
And he was saying how his ex lost respect for him.
Yep. Yeah, and respect, that's everything.
Yeah.
Niggas, you don't respect me.
Babe. Babe. Okay, you being embarrassing.
I know, I shouldn't say that.
Excuse him. Cause what? You know I respect you. Stop playing.
I'm trying to get some tea too.
You say you trying to get some lessons.
And then he tells me all this, right? And a man at our job was looking at me, you know, what not to do. I'm like, what?
The man at your job, what?
He looking at me talking about something, you know, what not to do.
Right, yeah. Keep respecting them.
I mean, yeah, the only way you can, I mean, I'm the type of person, like, you could tell, because when I was younger, I used to be super duper judgmental. And
Me too.
my friend got me out of that, and I'm like, she was like, you can't keep judging people, and you don't know how they life set up. And I'm like, you're right, but guess where I got the judgmental stuff from?
Who?
My mama. So I'm like, yeah, you're right. So I stopped being judgmental, and I'm like, okay, you got to hear them out, because you never know. So
Yeah.
I stopped being judgmental. I'm the type of person, like, you could tell me any and everything, and I'm going to be a listening ear. I'm going to give you advice. I'm going to, like, be that type of person you could just tell anything to. As long as if you keep it real and honest with me, we ain't going to have no problem. But the minute you start lying,
Yeah.
and you acting like I don't know that you lying, then we got problems.
Yeah. Yeah. I get what you're saying. Yeah, just keep it 100.
Yeah, at all times. And I don't even care if you think it's gonna hurt my feelings.
Yeah.
Let me know something.
Yeah. Like on Baby Boy, I lie because I love you. Like, no. No, just keep it. Already, we grown.
Right. Super duper grown. We ain't getting no younger.
Heck, you know. Yeah. Yeah. It's just trying to tell men that. Girl, I like old school music sometimes.
Me too, but not him.
Oh, you don't like Isaac?
No. I like the 90s. Like I like Usher, Jodeci,
Me too.
Monica, Brandy,
Yeah.
Silk.
Yeah.
What's that one?
You been seeing the Genuine? Everybody been doing that the Genuine concert.
Yeah.
Everybody been talking about him. And then he talking about he gonna say some, oh, I'm getting internet bullied. I'm like, boy, bye.
It's funny.
I'm like, boy, bye. People still come to see his concert, though. So
Right.
You ain't getting that bullied. I'm like, you better put some, tighten up. Because, yeah, we in the internet age now. Like, back in his day, it wasn't like that. Yeah, like, you like the 2000s.
Mm-hmm.
It's more so your mama now.
Yeah. Tyrese.
Yeah. 112.
Mm-mm.
Oh, you don't like that?
Mm-mm. I like Johnny Gill.
Oh, yeah.
Who else? Bobby Brown, Whitney Houston.
What about Avant? You remember her?
Yeah, some of his stuff, yeah. Some of it. I like the stuff with Kiki Wyatt.
Yes, I love her. And you know she got like 12 kids.
Yes.
She's like, what y'all telling me what to do with my body? I'm like,
She's very fertile.
yes, she is.
Well, God said be fruitful and multiply. She took that literally.
Yeah.
Because there ain't no way.
And she be doing concerts 9 months pregnant. I'm like, okay.
Ain't no way.
It's giving pregnant every year.
I know her body tired.
Yes, it
like
is.
that's a lot.
I don't know.
I think my grandma got 14 kids.
For real?
Mm-hmm. My mama the oldest.
Shut up. Dang.
One of them, I think, was a stillborn.
So it would have been more.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, thank you. Your grandma still living?
Mhm.
Your mama?
Mhm.
Oh, that's good. You got a relation with her?
No.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, cause she be on your mama's side?
My mama. That's the thing. My mama wasn't even close to her. We were like everything when I was little. I used to go to my grandma's house every week, literally every week. But as I got older, all that stopped. So that's weird. I don't know. Even my mama and grandma don't have like a good relationship, but ever since I done moved out, they want to be all buddy buddy.
Right, cool.
What? I swear, some stuff do not make sense to me at all.
Like, we're rekindling. Like, no, y'all should have been did that.
Right. Yeah, but I talk to my grandma from like time to time. Like she'll call me on my birthday. I'll call her on her birthday, holidays, special events, stuff like that. But like as far as like, hey grandma, what you doing? No.
So y'all don't go over there for the holidays.
No, not really.
Wow.
I mean, hopefully it'll change, but
Yeah.
cause I'm very family oriented. Like I love being around family,
Mhm.
but
They gotta be willing
right.
I don't even want to be frugal. 'Cause I'm famous. But I'm more like that guy's not big famous. So saving money is pretty clutch for me.
You like Aria Lennox? You know her?
Mhm. I used to not like her voice, but
It grew on you.
yeah, a little bit.
Yeah,
Like,
her
I
voice
like-
do be. Yeah.
I used to like. I like. I like the feature she did with Summer Walker. Love the feature she did with Queen Naja.
Yeah, I like her. I like Queen Naja too.
I think she did a feature with Jasmine Sullivan. And then I like her one song called Whipped Cream.
Oh,
Ari Lennox. It's called Whipped Cream.
oh, for real.
Love that song. Told you she performed.
Yeah. You be watching these tiny discs.
No, but